For you are discerning kitchen customers. You've seen the world. You've seen global kitchens. You like them, you love them. But then, our Indian cook styles are a little different. What we've done here is to get you those global kitchens, those global looks, adapted to the Indian cooking conditions. In a way, we could call it the global look with the Indian cook.
Every user wants their kitchen to be perfect to their needs. This presents a unique challenge to users to get the right kitchen for them. It also presents a unique challenge to the designers to create a product that is common for a lot of users, but very unique to individual users. India being a diverse country, there are a lot of kitchens of different shapes, sizes, and also requirements. When we set out designing the kitchen, we started researching upon what would be the best materials that would suit a kitchen which is in India, which has different temperatures, different climatic conditions. So we thought steel would be one of the best materials. With Godrej having their expertise on steel, we wanted to leverage our expertise and provide the customers with the best of the material for their kitchens. And this is something that nobody else is doing and only Godrej is offering to its users.
We have the metal kitchen which gives it the termite proof, and it is made out of GI sheets, and therefore it is rust proof. It is not affected by the moisture or the water in the kitchen. Wooden kitchen is made out of marine ply, which again is very water resistant, and this gives it a long life to the kitchens.
The wooden carcasses that we have in our range are made of materials that are boiling waterproof, whereas the shutters that we have in our range are water resistant. We have this as a combination that makes the product highly resistant to the water and the damp conditions that we have in the kitchens. Powder coated shutters and the body is a unique finish which not only provides a durable, long-lasting body, but it also provides a scratch-resistant, easy-to-clean surface which wouldn't get ruined by multiple use and multiple cleaning strokes.
We use the best quality hardware in our kitchens, sourced from Germany and Sweden, and different brands like Hettich, Hafele, Bloom, and Pekka. We offer laminated marine ply shutters which are high on durability and also give a variety of options in finishes like textured wood grains, solid colors, and patterns.
We have many finishes that are offered with the wooden range, which include PU painted shutters, which include membrane pressed foils, laminated shutters, as well as a very premium finish which is back painted glass.
Keeping smaller details in mind, we have a new finish in our carcass, which is a fabric textured finish, which gives you a very pleasant and warm feeling instead of the static white finish which is usually offered in kitchens.
The glass back painted shutters in our kitchen comes with the offering of having handleless kitchens. It is specially designed push to open units which render the entire kitchen without any handles, giving a very clean, contemporary, minimalistic look. With the ergonomics in our kitchen, what we were trying to bring in is convenience to our users. So the heights are designed to make it the most convenient kitchen that's available today. We started out providing for accessories which were for the Indian needs, like having thalis being stored, specific accessories that could keep them stored in the most organized way. So we came up with this theme of flavors and delicacies. We came up with combination of colors which would not only brighten up the kitchen but also create a distinct quality to every kitchen. The themes that we've specially curated are not the only things available for the users. It's always an open palette from which the user can create any kitchen scheme that they would want to.
Apart from what you've just seen, we also have with us years of experience in providing kitchens. And all this is what we build on further. And we keep building on that in order to make that experience something that is unique, sustainable, and something that is absolutely stamped with your identity. What we give you is that support of sustained quality and something that's going to last you for years.